What if we told you the secret to a fresh, clean, and long-lasting carpet is simpler than you think? Regular maintenance is the key. Let's dive into the power of carpet care and how it can keep your carpets looking new for years. Carpets do more than just feel cozy underfoot. They catch dust, dirt, and allergens from the air. Over time, without regular care, this can affect both how your carpet looks and how fresh your home feels. The good news? With a little maintenance, you can help your carpet stay beautiful and last significantly longer with regular care. Imagine walking barefoot on soft, clean carpet and breathing in fresh air. Well-maintained carpets not only look better, but they also contribute to a healthier home environment. The best part? It only takes a few simple steps to keep them looking great. Experts recommend 3 essential steps for carpet care: regular vacuuming, prompt spot cleaning, and periodic professional deep cleaning. Vacuum regularly to trap dust, dirt, and allergens, preventing them from settling deep into the fibers. This simple step helps maintain a cleaner environment, improves air quality, and extends the lifespan of your carpet. Spot clean immediately to prevent stains from setting and becoming more difficult to remove. The quicker you act, the better chance you have of preserving your carpet's appearance. Using the right cleaning solution and blotting, not rubbing, will help lift stains without damaging the fibers. Schedule professional deep cleaning every 12 to 24 months for thorough dirt removal. This ensures your carpets remain fresh and vibrant. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining your carpet investment. Most manufacturers recommend certified professionals for deep cleaning as they offer a level of effectiveness that complements do-it-yourself efforts. Ensure your cleaning company is experienced and recognized in the industry. So, if you want to extend the life of your carpet, improve your indoor air quality, and keep your space looking great, start with proper maintenance today. Follow these simple steps to keep your carpets fresh. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your carpets looking great and lasting longer. When you need help, trust a professional cleaner to keep your carpets in top shape for years to come. Thank you. Presented by the Carpet Institute of Australia.